This is the Time Entry Grid, the easiest, most consolidated place to enter your time in Project Insight. There's no need to go anywhere else. Let me show you how. You work on projects and tasks in Project Insight. You can record time on each task, and sometimes on the project, depending on your admin settings. Navigate to the day, and tell us how long it took you. You can tell us the time code, add a description, mark if it's billable, even custom fields will show up on this screen, depending on your workspace's requirements for time entry. If you make a mistake, you can change it right from the Time Entry Grid. You can see there's no save. You only need to submit your timesheet per your team's timesheet policies. Lastly, these buttons allow you to add company time or project time to the list per your admin settings.